हर कोई नहीं करता है, तो जो करता है उसकी बहुत तारीफ होनी चाहिए। थैंक यू सो मच।
Please present the award and if you please join in. Please. Ideas, teams which are very different in outside Maritime. Structural engineers, naval arts and all this sit together and come up with various ideas and things. But it has been very interesting, and with the safety taking center stage now, I'm very grateful to Maritime that they are thinking more and more in terms of like risk mitigation, and the salvage is one of them. So thank you very much. And yes, salvers, we do a lot of hard work. As my salvage master Francis Lucky would say, when we're not diving, we are skydiving. So we have a lot of fun. Thank you very much, and look forward to seeing you in Singapore as well. Playing some cricket and soccer. Thanks. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir, so much. Moving on to our next category, we request you to please stay on stage. Please. Moving on to our next category, ladies and gentlemen, presenting the Young Achiever of the Year Award. Having started his show career by obtaining an MSc in Shipping Trade and Finance from the prestigious Haas Business School in London in 2008 with distinction, he started working with London offshore consultants as an expert providing legal reports on maritime disputes during arbitration and litigation.
Most noticeably, he worked on the Havey Spirit case as an expert, where a
very important position with responsibility of risk management strategy of a portfolio of around 1.5.
Award goes to Mr. Rahul Khanna. Request you to please join us on stage.
Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Let's hear it for Rahul Khanna as he makes his way on stage. Present the award, and if you could please join in. Maybe have a picture together, please.
Thank you very much for all who are involved in deciding this award. I'm not sure what I've done to deserve this, but especially in front of such a esteemed audience, I'm sure there are a lot of young guys who've done a lot of good work. But whatever led to that decision, thank you very much. Probably the best thing to do. I work in one of the most interesting and exciting careers, which is insurance. I'm not sure how many of you are familiar with that, but it can get a little mundane. But if you add marine to insurance, then it certainly becomes a little bit more interesting. It adds a little bit more flavor to the boring career in insurance. So thank you very much once again. Thanks to all of you for being here. And a great evening, Captain Nangia, really. And thank you for having me over here.
Thank you so much, sir.
Right. Anybody going to ask the question here? Yeah. Okay. Please. नहीं
He have to ask question here. This is actually.
But Sunil, I think you got to come and ask the questions.
No.
Yeah.
How do you feel receiving this award?
Okay,
Innovation in Maritime.
Just a minute. This is the first time we came in the Select Today program, and the program is really it is an innovative idea where the people in the industry, people those who are doing something great about the industry, and the Select Today has invited us, and I feel great about that to be the part of the system, and at the same time I am telling you, the Select Today is our media partner. We are based in Singapore. Yes, sir. We are based in Singapore, and in the Singapore, we are a very unique kind of club or platform where we are doing something for the marine community. And in that community, Select Today is a partner of us. And what we like to see in future, Select Today is going ahead with us. Select Today is going ahead with us, and we like to see that Indian seafarers go in the world. It is not only here, because today we are definitely not in a very big scale, but we like to see Indian seafarer going ahead of anybody else in the world.
Thank you, sir. Coming back to the award that you won just
Yeah,
now,
yeah.
Innovation in Maritime Field. Tell us.
Yeah. Really very grateful to receive this award from Sailor Today. Really appreciate. It's one of the unique aspects of maritime. It requires a lot of people to come together of multidisciplinary capabilities and put together the projects which are really out of the world. Typically, when the sailors and the shipping companies give up, that's when we start a project. So every project requires fresh ideas, a lot of discussions and arguments before we come and put something together that can be sort of like implemented. बिल्कुल हाँ
This is nothing called Gudi Padwa. What you have
शुभ
asked
दिन है
him,
शुभ
बहुत
दिन है
शुभ दिन है, और ये जो काम इन शहर ने जो कर रहे हैं, I am not very part of that his system. I have come from a different system. The kind of job he is doing, if you are really from the marine field, you know what he is doing. It is a great job, which cannot be compensated by money or anything. It is a great job what he is doing. We should clap for him. Thank you very much.
I feel a little bit overwhelmed, scared, like, they really have done a wonderful job. I don't know what they're going to do next year to really beat this one, because it is really overwhelming and a great achievement for Sailor Day. I hope many more years of success, and we want to be part of it going next year. Probably not in innovation, doing something else, but we do a lot of projects and we want to be the part of the maritime and make it work. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Must join for the fight now.
Coming. You must be knowing all the answers.
I don't even know the questions.
I think this event was fabulous. Before going to the award, I was thinking कि मैं क्या करूँगा यहाँ पे, because I don't know anything about ships and maritime industry, because the only thing we actors know about shipping thing is that only film that we know about is Titanic and Leonardo. बस हम लोग उसी से inspired है, और बस मुझे लगा कि हाँ Leonardo शायद दिख जाएगा.
Far-fetched था थोड़ा, लेकिन ठीक है.
अच्छा था लेकिन.
एक्चुअली उन्होंने एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ की जो मैंने अभी बीच में अवार्ड फंक्शन में देखी, जो कुछ जो मर्चेंट नेवी में जो लोग काम कर रहे थे उनको सोमालिया में उनको किडनैप कर लिया था और 4 साल तक उनको रखा था और फिर इन्होंने एक एफर्ट लिया और उनको वहाँ से छुड़वाया. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट थिंग दैट दे हैव डन. इट्स अ वेरी गुड कॉज एंड टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस कॉज फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस इट्स अ वेरी ग्रेट थिंग.
एक्चुअली हमें पता नहीं होता बट दे आर रियली आवर हीरोज.
यस एग्जैक्टली.
ये लोग स्क्रीन पे आते हैं.
We have these scripts, we have to just mug up and just say it on the screen. I think these people actually put an effort and they actually make our lives easy and give us security and actually do so much for us.
या 9 महीने अपने फैमिली से दूर रहते हैं, 8 महीने तक पता भी नहीं है, नो कांटेक्ट भी नहीं है. एंड उसके अलावा आई मीन सोमालिया का जो केस था 4 साल तक दे वर लाइक अबडक्टेड. किसी को पता भी नहीं था ये लोग कहाँ थे. सो इट्स मतलब हैट्स ऑफ टू देम, थैंक्स टू देम. हम लोग चैन की नींद सो पाते हैं.
Genuinely honored to be a part of this podcast.
हम सब लोग मिलकर जो ना गुड़ी पाड़वा बोलते हैं. हैप्पी गुड़ी
हैप्पी
गुड गुड. हाँ तो नहीं
अच्छा मर्चेंट नेवी के लिए गुड विशेस बोलो और गुड़ी पावा भी बोलो.
हाँ तो पहले क्या बोले हम?
पहले मर्चेंट नेवी को कांग्रेचुलेशन एंड सेलर टुडे को कांग्रेचुलेशन और फिर गुड़ी पावा.
So here we go.
1 2 3.
Merchant Navy को congratulations from all of us.
Very happy
Gudi Padwa to all of you all. Have a great year ahead. Happy New Year.
एंड एक्चुअली मेरा न्यू ईयर है, मैं सिंधी हूँ, आज चेती चंद है.
Happy New Year to you. Happy New Year.
सब